Hi, my name is Atul Thakur, and as I have announced, we are beginning the series of how to stay focused and be more productive, and being more productive and working less. So, focus is something that everybody is struggling with. In fact, we want to focus on our work, we would like to produce more results, work less, yet we want to have more in life, but we fail to focus. Or we fail to understand why I'm doing so much of hard work and I'm not getting the results that I want, why I need to put more efforts to get more. So research says that one of the reasons why people are not producing the results that they want by putting less efforts is they are not focused. They often get distracted. They often get they often get carried away by so many things around them. So I thought of having a series in addition to the series that we are having, how to improve your self-image. So this video series I'm starting from today, and my invitation to you is take this as education series videos, so that in this orderly manner we can work on the way you look at how to focus in life, and you can create more and more results. That's my commitment for you. For those of you who are watching my video for the first time, my name is Atul Thakur. I'm into training since last many years, 18 years, and I've trained more than 2 lakh people, 2.5 lakhs precisely. And that's my passion, that's the work I love, and I keep on contributing to people's life. So in order to participate in this series, I would like to give you certain instruction. The instruction number 1 is sit at some place where you can totally focus on the videos that I am sending to you. Don't listen to these videos while you are driving, or while you are watching TV, or while you are doing something else. Please focus on what I am saying to you. Keep one pen and paper ready so that if required you can write down some things that will allow you to work on yourself till I post the next video. Third thing is, if you have questions, please write it down and you can put the questions in the comments area so that I can address those questions in some of the videos so that I can serve you better. So please remember these things while you are participating in this video series. So why am I addressing focus in this? Is like we have been told since so many years that Arjuna could what was speciality of Arjuna was his super focusing ability. And what was the difference between Arjuna and other people, or other Pandav and Kaurav, was that he was able to focus on the thing that he wanted to, and he was able to produce the results. He was different. He had this unique ability of watching what he wants and not getting distracted by what he never wanted to have in his life. So this unique ability can be developed by each and everyone who is watching this video, and you can produce the results that you want. But this is a matter of practice. This is a matter of honing the skill. This is not something that you will get automatically. You may have some seed of that, but you will have to germinate that seed. You will have to really sharpen the tool of you practice, and only thing that you can do, only thing that will support you is practice. How you practice to focus. So in this series we'll keep on doing something that will make you more proficient in focusing on things. So let's look at what is the first thing. I'm not going in orderly way. I'm not going to prioritize anything, but the way I'll put it is, you keep on working all these areas. The first thing that I would like to work on you is, look at the way where you look at the task that you have. Now, thing is that we don't know how to prioritize our work. Now, in the world of emergency, you will find that this is a world of emergency. Everything is you. This is the information age. You are bombarded with knowledge consistently. Something becomes a breaking news. Even if a small things, a small accident at distant place is presented to us in a breaking news. Every news is available on WhatsApp. Everything is available on. This is a knowledge world. Everything is fast. Everything is available to us, and that receives to us as if that is an emergency for us. सब चीज़ इमरजेंसी नहीं है लाइफ में, सब चीज़ की प्रायोरिटी नहीं है. लेकिन आप देख लो, आपको कोई वीडियो आ जाता है, दैट बिकम्स अ प्रायोरिटी फॉर यू. कोई ब्रेकिंग न्यूज़ आ जाता है, वो becomes a priority for you, and suddenly people start talking about that. By keeping aside the work that they are doing, they lose the focus. This is the information age. ये इंफॉर्मेशन एज का डिसएडवांटेज ये है कि इसमें एवरीथिंग इज ब्रेकिंग न्यूज. सब ब्रेकिंग न्यूज है. आज के डेट में भी देखो, कोरोना वायरस स्प्रेडिंग वेयर, इतना कैजुअलिटी है, उतना ये है. एवरीथिंग इज शोन एज अ ब्रेकिंग न्यूज. And then that becomes a emergency for each one of us. We start spreading that news and we start focusing on that as if that is the only job we have. The first thing that you must get if you want to focus is there is emergency. Everything is not emergency for you. Everything is not a priority. Just get this very flat. You need not focus on each and everything that is coming to you. You can certainly prioritize things. So how to do that? So I would like to give you 4 category of work. So write it down. There are 4 types of tasks, 4 types of work we have in life. First is what? Productive. Productive talk. That will take you from where you are to where you want to. Is productive talk. Productive task. Second type is category is unproductive. Which we keep on doing so many things. We keep on watching WhatsApp chats. We keep on sending messages from here and there. And if we look at, all of them are not productive. Unproductive. Third category is attractive. Now we get attracted towards that. Suddenly some breaking news. There is some incidents at some place and that is very interesting, funny, and we get attracted towards that. And fourth is unattractive, and not very good in nature. Unattractive. Now let's combine this. Write down all these things. First is what? Productive. Second is what? Unproductive. Third is what? Attractive. Fourth is what? Unattractive. Now there are some productive tasks which are unattractive. Productive but unattractive. Like going to gym, productive है. Attractive होगा इसका कोई गारंटी नहीं है. But that is something that is required. So that is useful. You should focus on this. Productive, but even if it's unattractive, focus on those. Unproductive and unattractive. Unproductive and unattractive. Unnecessary work. Unproductive and unattractive. It's not required. Productive but attractive. That may be your passion. That may be some purpose. That may be purposeful work for you. That may be something that you want. That could be your job. If you're a singer, that could be singing for you. That could be something that you want. So that you may create some purpose out of that. So that is your priority. And last one is unproductive and attractive. Unproductive but attractive. This is something that is distracting. Distractive work. That if you go to some link that you receive, you go to then some what we say some offer on some selling app. Then you go to that. Then you go to email. Then you start sending the email. You are like going from here and there. एक जगह से दूसरी जगह जाते हो. जैसे व्हाट्सएप खोलते हो, उसमें कोई लिंक आ जाता है, वो लिंक पे वो आप जीमेल में जाते हो, जीमेल पे से आप कहीं कोई सेलिंग साइट पे जाते हो, वहाँ से आपको कोई ऑफर मिलता है, उसको 10 लोगों को बताते हो, वो अट्रैक्टिव लगता है लेकिन अनप्रोडक्टिव है। आपका फोकस वो चीज़ पे होना चाहिए विच इज़ प्रोडक्टिव, विच मे बी अट्रैक्टिव और अनअट्रैक्टिव, बट कीप ऑन फोकसिंग ऑन दैट। तो आज के लिए इतना ही है। आपको कल तक क्या करना है, कल तक आपका पैटर्न ऑब्जर्व करो। हाउ मेनी टाइम्स यू आर डूइंग समथिंग दैट इज अनप्रोडक्टिव एंड दैट इज टोटली unnecessary, which is not giving you any results, and keep on doing something that is productive, maybe unattractive, but keep on doing that. And productive and attractive, maybe that is passion, or that is something that gives you pleasure. Thank you very much for watching this video. Keep posting this video to as many people as you can, those who want results. And this is a series. I am going to send you many videos on this subject. Keep subscribing. Ask people to subscribe. Thank you very much. See you soon. Stay focused.